Hey friends, welcome back to Mom University. My name's Chrissy and today we're going to be unboxing the Spectra S1 Breast Pump. I just got this in the mail the other day and I wanted to share it with you guys, so it actually still has this sticker on it. This right here is the bottles that it comes with. And you see the flanges that will hook to the bottle. Like so. And this is the tubing. And I'm pretty sure that this is a backflow valve. One of the reasons that I chose this breast pump is because of the backflow valve. Let's see, more flanges. It comes with two different sizes. Another bottle. And more tubing. This is the power cord. And this is the pump itself. So Spectra has a couple different models to choose from, and I chose to go with the one that has the rechargeable battery just in case I'm on the go and I need to pump somewhere. But I'm gonna put this together for you guys. Okay, so I've got everything taken out of the box, so I'm just gonna kind of show you how everything works. So there's two different sizes. This is the 28 millimeter, and then the 24 millimeter already had the duckbill valves put on them. And it just slips right on. And then you're going to take a piece of the tubing and then one of the backflow protectors. And there's two sides, so there's a skinny side that this tubing will fit on, and then there's a thicker side that will fit right into here. So basically what this does is it prevents the milk from going into the pump and getting things gross and messing it up. So you can put this right here. And if you want to use it as a double pump, you can. That's how I'm going to set it up today. But if you just want to use one side, you would just take this little white cover and cover this little plug right here. So then it's a single instead of a double. So on the front here we have the power button, and then right above it is the massage mode cycle. So that helps you start to fill your letdown, and then you can change your vacuum and the cycle from there. There's also a night light button right here that you can use. And there is a bottle holder or cup holder on the back side, so you can have your bottle of milk there if you're still nursing your baby. Be sure to like and subscribe. Once my baby gets here and we establish breastfeeding and pumping, I will be reviewing this product to let you all know how it worked out for us. Thanks for watching. you.